Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use acrylic gloss medium. This versatile product is fantastic for artists looking to add a professional touch to their acrylic paintings. It serves multiple purposes, from increasing the luminosity of your colors to providing a strong, clear protective layer. We'll cover simple steps to incorporate this medium into your artistic process, ensuring beautiful, long-lasting results. Get ready to elevate your artwork with a brilliant, glossy finish. Before you begin, set up a clean and organized workspace. Lay down a protective covering like newspaper or a drop cloth to keep your surfaces tidy. Have all your materials ready: your acrylic paints, a selection of brushes, a palette for mixing, and a small cup of water for cleaning. Gently stir your acrylic gloss medium for about 10 seconds to ensure it is thoroughly mixed and ready for application, preventing any inconsistencies. For mixing with paint, start with a ratio of about 1 part gloss medium to 2 parts acrylic paint. This extends your paint and adds a lovely sheen. When applying as a top coat, use a soft, clean brush and spread a thin, even layer over your dry artwork. Apply the medium in consistent, parallel strokes, moving in one direction across the surface. This technique helps to reduce visible brush marks, ensuring a beautifully smooth and uniform glossy finish. After applying your gloss medium, allow ample drying time. A thin layer typically dries to the touch in about 20 minutes, but wait at least 1 hour before applying a second coat. If you desire an even higher gloss or more robust protection, a second thin layer can be applied. The medium will achieve its full hardness and durability within 24 to 48 hours, providing a lasting, brilliant finish to your completed artwork.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.